Hey everybody, Manic Artist here, and today I have another video for you. This video is episode 2 of our tarot cards. This is going to be the Tower, which is another one of my favorites that I like. I just like how it's like panicky. I like that, but then there's still like a little bit of like not so much chaos in the distance, because amongst all the chaos there is going to be an moment, and that's what I love about this card. I still have the moons coming out. I was thinking about not doing it because not a lot of you liked it, but I have decided to just keep going with it because it's better to have a set than not a set at all. Anyways, I really am enjoying making these tarot cards. They're so much fun for me to do, and they're like not as hard as I thought it would be, because it's something that's kind of out of my comfort zone, is doing all these like landscapes and like skies and like doing this kind of stuff. My thing is more, as you know, the female body, and it's what I love to do. So doing this was kind of like a good challenge for me, but also to do something different and new and some new content that I haven't done before. And I'm just like having the time of my life, and I'm really living for it right now. If you guys want to see something different, definitely hit me up in the comments below and let me know if you have any ideas, any other things flying around that you want me to try. If you have any types of mediums you want me to try, anything, just let me know and I will definitely work on that. I mean, without one of you commenting about tarot cards, I wouldn't have done this. You know who you are. This is what I mean by you all influence what I put out, because without one person saying, hey, what about Oracle or tarot cards, this never would have happened. And I am doing these videos because I love to do art, but I also am doing these videos just kind of teach and like give more back of what I know I can do, and also grow as an artist. Because there are some things that I would normally do because they're out of my comfort zone, but I do them because I know it will make me better. So that definitely went off topic. I do want to talk about why I chose the way that it looks and why I chose certain aspects of this piece to represent the tower. So I live in Maine, so I wanted to do a lighthouse because lighthouses are pretty much a staple where I live in southern Maine. And I depicted this off of kind of a couple different ones that are all around throughout where I am located. And I did the stormy background, but I also did a little bit of like that opening, because after all the chaos, there's that calm and the understanding of why what just happened. And I wanted the moon kind of like in the background, like it's coming, the light is coming, it's kind of dark right now, it's stormy, and the lighthouse was just struck and it's falling apart, but like once you rebuild, it'll be stronger than ever, and you get the answers that you needed, you get to the base of why things happened. And that's why I picked this. I also chose for it not to have a light on, because I just figured because it's chaos, and it's probably now like a dead lighthouse after it was struck. So for me, I'm like, well, it's not going to have any electricity to it because it would have been like, bye. But that's why I chose for it to look like this. If you guys want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, literally like it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.